Hook, have you ever been sitting there, scrolling through your phone, and thought, man, I wish I could just chat with someone on Monzo? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Monzo Chat and explore all the ways you can connect with someone on this popular banking app. Building context, before we get started, let's quickly recap what Monzo is all about. It's a digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, savings pots, and more. One of its standout features is the ability to chat with the Monzo team directly. The basics of Monzo Chat. So, how do you actually get started chatting on Monzo? It's pretty straightforward. Open up your Monzo app and look for the chat icon. This is usually located somewhere on the main screen. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with a list of options. Chatting with customer support. One of the primary reasons to chat with Monzo is to get help with your account. Whether you're having trouble making a payment, understanding your balance, or reporting a lost card, the Monzo team is there to assist. Simply select the help option, and you'll be connected to a customer support representative. Tips for effective chatting. To ensure you get the most out of your Monzo Chat experience, here are a few tips. Be clear and concise. Clearly state your problem or question. The more specific you are, the easier it will be for the Monzo team to understand and assist you. Provide necessary information. If you're reporting a lost card, for example, make sure to include the last 4 digits and when you last used it. Be patient. Remember, there may be a wait time, especially during peak hours. Use the chat features. Monzo Chat offers a variety of features, such as sending images and files. These can be helpful when explaining a problem or providing additional information. Chatting with friends and family. While Monzo Chat is primarily used for customer support, you can also use it to chat with friends and family. This is a great way to stay connected and share financial information. To chat with someone, you'll need their Monzo username. How to find a friend's Monzo username. There are a few ways to find someone's Monzo username. Ask them directly. The easiest way is to simply ask your friend for their username. Check their social media. Many people share their Monzo usernames on their social media profiles. Use the Monzo app. If you have a mutual friend who uses Monzo, you might be able to find their username through them. Sending and receiving money. One of the most convenient features of Monzo Chat is the ability to send and receive money. This is perfect for splitting bills, paying back loans, or sending gifts. To send money, simply start a chat with the recipient, tap on the Send Money button, and enter the amount. Security and privacy. Monzo takes security very seriously. All your chats are encrypted, ensuring that your personal information remains private. However, it's important to be cautious about sharing sensitive information, such as your full address or bank account details. Troubleshooting common issues. If you're having trouble chatting on Monzo, here are a few common issues and their solutions. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause problems. Update your Monzo app. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Clear your app cache. Sometimes, clearing the app cache can resolve issues. Contact Monzo support. If none of the above solutions work, don't hesitate to reach out to Monzo's customer support team. Conclusion. Monzo Chat is a valuable tool that can make managing your finances easier and more convenient. Whether you need help from customer support or want to connect with friends and family, Monzo Chat has you covered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.